Let's look now at the sound effects. And this is fairly straightforward if you know Chinese, but if you don't, it's a bit of a problem. There are 4 tones in Chinese, as you've heard before, and they're classed into 2 groups. One is what's called a deflected tone. These are the tones which rise and fall, ma, ma, ma. And then there's a level tone, what's called the ping tone. The deflected tone is called a zi tone. And the way couplets are organized is that every character in the line is either level or deflected. And the second line in the couplet should be just the opposite. And you can see the example here, where the zi or deflected tone is marked by the plus and the level tone is marked by the minus. So, for example, one might go zi zi ping ping zi, ping ping zi zi ping, and so on. Now, tones or poems also have rhymes. But what's the rhyme? In this case, what we want you to do is we want you to look at the romanization, the spelling of the sound of the Chinese character, and see if you can figure out what the rhyme scheme is for this poem, A Guest Comes.